What's up YouTube, this is FJ again, and today I have another unboxing video, but this time for Snowledge. I actually did a video for them before here, comparing the Snowledge versus Oakley Canopy and Electric EG2, and they actually used that video on their website here at snowledgeoptical.com. I have a new package, and I'm excited to show this to you guys. So, got one pair of goggles here. A protective case, a second pair of goggles in a different case. It's kind of like a soft case. Let's start with this guy. So this is the case that it comes in. Guys, I actually have my old goggles here, both from Snowledge, similar hard case. Very high quality, durable hard case. I actually really like using this when traveling and putting it in my backpack. And this does come with two lenses. Package there, and a soft microfiber cloth case. Ooh, very flashy strap there, guys. It's spherical, frameless, but of course not exactly frameless because you have there inside. There's cutouts on the side foam to fit glasses. This is the Hawa. Spherical, blue. Looking at the strap, you got the tacky material so that it can stick to your helmet. Ventilation holes there at the top. And you've got ventilation foam on the bottom as well. On the sides, so it's just a hinge that opens up with two teeth. Let's do that on the other side. And very quick removal of the lens. Total of 6 magnets with a hinge on the sides. Let's remove the protective film. And you can see there inside the frame, you've also got the 6 magnets that align up for quick installation, and clip, it's closed. How I've mentioned in other goggles, the branding doesn't protrude on the side of the goggle, so it doesn't hinder and get in the way when you're adjusting your strap. I'm gonna put it over my glasses again because it has the cutout. Should be fine. This on here. There's how the goggles look over the beanie. So how this would look like with a helmet with a curved brim in the front. So there is the Hawa goggle with a curved brim helmet. Here is the goggle with the flat top helmet. Pull out the replacement lens, yellow night lens. See there? Pop it in. Great visibility in low light situations, nighttime. Let's have a look. In this soft case with the branding there, Snowledge, established 2010. Quality craftsmanship. A replacement lens and the goggle itself. Still spherical actually, but very big coverage. Branding does come out a little bit in terms of the embroidery, but will not hinder sizing of the strap. You can kind of see it there. There's 2 strips of tacky material on the strap. Let's figure out which one these are. Cyklone. Whoa, yeah, these are definitely their premium. So the first one that we got was the Hawa, and now we're going with the Cyklone. There's a little latch inside, and it actually has the little icon there for lock and unlock. So I'm gonna lower that to unlock both sides. The bottom, oh, and the entire frame with the lens comes out. Very durable. 2 magnets up top and 4 magnets on the bottom. Total of 6 magnets again with the loops here on the sides. Those were the ones that were locking the lens in place. To remove the film, it's a great way to see it. The little lock latch right there on both sides. So you pop in the lens and then you lock upward on both sides, and that secures the lens. The ventilation holes on the top. And again, you've got ventilation foam vents on the bottom. This guy on. All right. Over my glasses, a bit tight in there. You guys can see that I am wearing the thicker frame glasses. That's how that looks. It's really nice, guys. Good coverage in terms of peripheral vision. And then you can pull it off just like that. And you can see where my glasses sit in this frame. It's the second lens. So that's nice. Similarly, plop that on. These are really nice, guys. Wow. I really like how the white frame pops out like that. Pretty decent spacing there. Probably need to size it a little bit better. You can tighten the straps. Pull on that. So that's the second pair. Again, that's the Cyklone. I'm gonna guess it's additional lenses for one of these goggles. Hard case on the front, soft ventilated mesh on the back, and I'm assuming that's so the lenses can dry in case they're wet. Oh, there's 3 lenses here, guys. The 6 magnets, no frame on this. So here's a pink lens right there, and you have a clear lens. For the price point that you can get on Amazon or Walmart, they're definitely really good quality for the price, and now you're able to purchase it directly from their website. Also, if you use my code FJ5SNOW, you'll get 10% off your order. I definitely recommend the models that allow you to change your lenses. It's very helpful and very convenient to have a goggle where you can just swap out the lenses, particularly with these new magnet designs. With the added locking system that they've implemented on both the Hawa here, so the hinges on the side, and the much more robust and durable locking system inside with the hooks. And again, also for the price point, you get high quality hard case, soft case, and even the replacement lens case as well. Compared to Oakley, compared to Electric, Smith, and on, you're paying a much lower price point, but still very, very good quality goggles. They do have anti-UV lenses, anti-fog, conform to various shapes based on the cuts on the foam. That's a really cool added feature. Extra long adjustable straps, hot air escapes off the top, replacement lenses, designed to fit glasses underneath. The locking mechanism, you just got to make sure that the hook does go in all the way. A lot quicker access than some of the Oakley models or Electric models where you gotta like rip open the frame in order to pop out the lens. These are definitely a lot more user-friendly and a lot more convenient with the magnet implementation and the hinges. I'm a fan. Guys, check them out. You can find Snowledge on Amazon and Walmart, and you can also purchase them directly from their website here. And once again, if you use my code FJ5SNOW, you can get 10% off your order. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video comes out. If you guys have any experience with Snowledge, feel free to let us know down in the comments below. I can't wait to try these out. I'll be testing them out again at Blue Mountain, snowboarding of course, and hopefully I can share some of that footage with you guys later this season. Peace out. Thanks for watching.